Thanks for flying the waterways with us, and I hope I see you next time around the river bend. Thanks, Sam.
You can read the newspaper out loud. What's the date of that? 1890. The operator control harness has to be a bit of an amateur, you can see. You know, all of the operators' actions are recorded on tape. Now let's hear the theme song that the carousel did.
There's a great beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day.
Since its debut at the 1964 New York World's Fair, the Carousel of Progress has been seen by more people than any other show in American history. I'm Rex Allen. I had the honor of performing in that original show over 30 years ago. While the show has changed over the years, it continues to entertain audiences today. An ongoing tribute to one man who never stood in the way.
Hello, and welcome to Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Your seating area will be moving, so we ask that you remain seated for the duration of our show and enjoy.
Welcome to Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. You're in for a real treat. The Carousel of Progress was Walt's own idea from beginning to end. He loved it. He introduced the show at the World's Fair in New York City in 1964, and it was an immediate smash hit. Millions of people came to see it. And since then, the Carousel of Progress has had more performances than any other stage show in the history of American theater. You know, Walt loved the idea of progress, and he loved the American family. And he himself was probably as American as anyone could possibly be. He thought it would be fun to watch the American family go through the 20th century, experiencing all the new wonders as they came. And he put them together in a show called Carousel of Progress, which we are now about to see. Although our Carousel family has experienced a few changes over the years, our show still revolves around the same theme, and that's progress. May the century begin.
There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, and tomorrow is just a dream away.
There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
It looks like the Robins are getting ready to celebrate Valentine's Day today. What year is it? Oh, right around the turn of the century. And believe me, things couldn't be any better than they are today. Yes, sir, buildings are towering now as high as 20 stories. And moving pictures flicker up on a big screen. We have almost 8,000 automobiles in this country, and we can travel by train from New York to California in less than 7 days. And I even hear tell about two brothers from North Carolina who are working on some kind of flying contraption. It'll never work. Closer to home, we've now got gas lamps, a telephone, and the latest design in cast iron stoves. And that reservoir keeps 5 gallons of water hot in just 3 buckets of coal. Oh, that sure beats chopping wood. And isn't our new ice box a beauty? Look at that. Holds 50 pounds of ice. Milk doesn't sour as quick as it used to. And our dog Rover here keeps the water in the drip pan from overflowing. It wasn't too long ago we had to carry water from a well. And thanks to progress, we've got a pump right here in the kitchen. Of course, we keep a bucket of water handy to prime it with. Yes, sir, we've got everything we need to make life easier. Say, Mother.
Beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
Isn't it a pleasant holiday? Oh, turkey's in the oven, it's peaceful and quiet.
Yes! 300 points, my best score yet.
Well, it was peaceful until Santa brought that new virtual reality space pilot game.
Your turn, Grandma. Let's switch the image over to the TV so the resident flying ace can show you how it works. Now, it's a little tricky. Just use your game glove to fly behind the other guy and blast him with your laser blaster.
Laser blaster? Well, I'll give it a try.
Take a look around, Grandma. You're in the ship.
Feels like I'm really there.
Okay, get ready. You're about to blast off.
Here goes nothing. Whoa.
All right, here he comes. Oh, you missed him.
Hey, everybody, I'm done programming our new voice activation system.
Now all our household items will do anything we tell them to do.
Great. Tell the refrigerator to bring me the root beer.
Well, it can't quite do that. But I'll show you something it can do. Tree lights 30% brighter.
Oh, that's no big deal. Anybody can do that voice activated stuff. Watch this. Roar! Hey!
John, the oven should respond to your voice commands now. Give it a try.
Oh, okay. Here goes. Temperature to 375.
Temperature increased to 375.
Look at that. It even talks back.
Reminds me of certain people I know.
Yeah, right, Dad.
You gotta lose him, Grandma. Bank to the right.
Remember Dad's turkey last year?
Yeah, that thing really smoked up the place when it burned, didn't it?
We ended up microwaving frozen pizzas.
Rotation message. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat, and be sure to supervise your children. And we are in fact clear and out of here. Gonna be your favorite hand and wave back to the skippers of the dog. Bye, Skips. Bye. We're never gonna see them again. I'm sure you're never seen them before, so it's probably not a big deal. If you'd like to continue your wave, you can wave to all my fans. I know there's no people over there where I'm talking about the ceiling fans. Welcome to the world famous Jogo Cruise at night. Where we are famous for being world famous. I'm your skipper Thor, that's first name Skipper, last name Thor. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, but I'll feel free to not answer most of them. Now first off here we are entering the Amazon rainforest, and as you can see on both sides of the boat, kind of a mist forest. So if you blink, you might miss it. And good job not missing that one, guys. I'm really proud of you. Now if you look on both sides of the boat as well, you will see the Amazon butterfly with a maximum wingspan of 12 inches, and they're known as the rulers of the jungle. Now here on the left we do have the inspiration balls. Everybody say ooh. Everybody say ah. Everyone say Skipper Thor, you're doing a great job. That's inspiration. It also might inspire you to go. Deeper and deeper into the jungle. And we are now entering the Congo River, and don't see how far we can go. If you're my last boat, it wouldn't be very far, but that's beneath us now. And now it's behind us. I hear the left video of the Bison first edition of the Jungle Book for anyone who hasn't read it yet. And straight ahead is the first and only food location we have on the entire river journey. Now actually invited all of my skipper friends to go on a real quick meal with us before we laugh together. Mainly me. We also cry together. Entirely me. We almost die together, so that makes us kind of like a family. But I think we can all agree that 10 minutes in a boat in the middle of Magic Kingdom is way too long for a family, so it's time for you all to get out.
Going down.
the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar, but scars can heal and reveal just where you are. The people you love will change you. The things you have learned will guide you. And nothing on earth can silence the quiet voice still inside you.
And so, we have found what we seek. The magic of dreams come true, in fact, lies within you. This magical kingdom remains a beacon to those with a wish in their heart, gifting every person who walks through these gates this enchantment. Look inside yourself and realize that you have everything you need to make all your dreams come true. Anything is possible, for you are